You are now taking a Euro step through the pro journey with Brian Starr. Dream Elite is an athletic apparel brand. They made me their brand ambassador. We got a photo shoot and we doing some promo for the Douyin Chinese TikTok account. Overall, it was a good experience. I left with a box of clothes, samples, and we also working on an apparel deal of my own design with my logo, B-Star, the B-Star brand. I'll be opening an online store soon where you can find all of my merch as well as the Dream Elite merch. Stay tuned. Yeah.